Guys, Jacob here. So let me explain a little bit what's going on in this video. I actually got to take the Mustang out and finally cruise around with it, finally get a feel for the Mustang, and yeah, so I wanted to actually show you all the video, but first we're going to start out with my greatest disappointment. The night before, I was out filming with my GoPro, currently just sitting on my car as I'm driving, and whenever I did so, it decided to come off because of the chromatic coat on my Mustang, and it fell off. Luckily, we met a man downtown, and he helped us find the GoPro, and we got it done thanks to his dog. So here's that clip.
On the grass, and he looked at it, he jumped away from it. You see it right there? No, you're going too far.
No, I'm blind, man. There it is.
Yep. Come on. He looked at it, he jumped back. I was like, hey.
It's still recording, dog.
So yeah, I guess now let's continue with the rest of the video.
Dirty girl. Intro.
Bro, intro on intro?
Dude, that's crazy.
I got you.
You guys are recording intros?
Oh my god, you're recording intros?
Oh my god,
You guys
intro?
are recording intros?
Triangle intro?
That's crazy.
Hang on, I
dude.
got you.
Dude, that's
What's up?
crazy.
It's
Oh my god, are you recording an intro?
I am now.
He's recording an intro.
goodness.
Oh my
Look
god,
at
this is
us.
crazy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at how
What's up, guys?
Damn.
Jacob back for another video. We got the entire crew right now just all coming out here. So right now we are currently at Wolf Creek Dam. Pretty dope.
Which is huge.
Well, babe, go stand next to it so we can see comparison.
No, that's a lot of work.
We can walk out there.
Dude, whoever f***ing mowed this grass needs a raise. This is beautiful.
Except for the person that drove in the grass.
Yeah.
Well, maybe he wanted to leave his mark. You never know.
We can actually walk all the way down there.
Hey, Heinz.
What's up?
Hey, you want to keep up with the group?
No, I ain't got the A. Mine's an E.
Oh, you got the Yodi?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You're out here filming
Hi.
So, if you guys haven't noticed, a lot of us actually got new cars. We got new people out here. Clayton went and got a Mustang too.
I had to, I'm sorry.
I'm borrowing daddy's money.
So we got the two guys in the Civic went and got Mustangs.
It happens, bro.
It does. And then you got
Daddy's car.
Daddy's car. And then we also got Jonathan. Where the heck is he?
What's
There he
up?
is. This is a new guy.
Yeah, got me a little 18.
And the Beamer will be back.
And then we got the fastest Yodi in the world out here.
Oh my god. That's the best part of the crew, bro.
On God, for real.
Goddamn bride.
But we're gonna go out here. We got a couple more stops that we're gonna stop at, and from there we should be good. There's just a skunk.
Just a skunk floating around in there. He has a nice butt. I tapped him.
No, you really can't.
That's probably not a good idea.
We gotta be safety. COVID, dude. COVID. Safety. Is that your Apple mask?
No, I didn't get this one from the Apple store.
Well, this thing doesn't protect me from AIDS, but I won't get COVID.
He lives here with us. He stays with us. This is his habitat, and he has a special diet that he eats, and his favorite snack is grubs and dead crickets, blueberries, and cucumbers.
Can I start a bidding war on who pays the most for the squirrel or the skunk?
So where are you guys from?
Oh, we're from Somerset.
Oh, okay, okay.
God damn, I thought that was a real person. You think he would taste good?
Maybe. Ask to buy it.
But I'd get the one in the back. He's bigger. Glass makes him bigger. They're all small as but the glass makes them like 10 times bigger. Nah, they definitely at least decent size. Exposed.
He's a little. What? Harassment?
Oh, he's poking his head out a little bit.
He's all big.
Probably thinks my mic is a.
Probably thinks my mic is a mouse.
Another one.
Does he have a green card?
Mid-1930s led Congress to pass the Control Act of 1928. The law.
Hey, Mom would never go to the movie theater with you, mother.
On
Dope.
He just went sideways.
That was it for that video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for joining us for this adventure, going through and seeing all these places, cruise with us. If you want to see more like this, let me know in the future. As far as cruising, I don't do a lot of it, but it might become very common. More trips coming up soon in this summer. Right now it's winter, car scene's not too big. So what we're planning on doing is in the summer, I will be posting more content, especially going to Streetcar Takeover.
Hey, your taco's still intact.
1, 2, 3.
Import Alliance. Also, I've been looking at going and actually doing Ford or LS Fest, sorry. So from there, that's what we're planning on doing. Upcoming events, we've got the Cruise for 22 on May 22nd. I'll go ahead and post the link right here for Mission 22. You all watch the video for that whenever we went on a cruise. And basically just raise money for wounded veterans to make for a better life. So that's it for now. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you in the next one.